Hey guys, it's the Gaming Football here, back with another video. I am doing part 2 to the pack opening. Woo! If you've seen the video that I just uploaded, I packed Suarez. So I've got MSN.
No one cares.
And I've got a legend.
No one. It's an icon for the last
Oh,
time.
it's an icon, sorry. Haha, lol. Oh yeah, look, this is the best card in the game. Best card in the game.
Oh my god.
I packed the best card in the game. I packed Ronaldo. Oh, it's a billboard. It's a billboard. Ivory Coast. Bailey.
It's Bailey, not Bailey.
Hi.
It's actually Bailey, actually.
Yeah, Eric Bailey. So I've just got Brian. Pretty good card, if you ask me. Billboard. I feel so sorry for you. I feel so sorry for you. I just packed Iron Robin. I just packed Iron Robin.
Wait a second. Let's see if this chair brings me luck.
Oh my god, guys. I just packed Iron Robin. Guys, how am I doing this? Hashtag super special powers. Hashtag super special powers. Gents, are you annoyed at me?
What do you think?
Yes. I just had such good luck today, guys. Insane. Got a billboard. It's an inform. No, it's not. It's a walkout. Even Hamsich. Nice. Got Hamsich. I've got all the tour managers now. Oh,
The thing got
billboard.
billboard.
Mine 83.
Mine 85.
What the hell? He just got Casemiro, guys.
Is chair sort of bringing me luck?
Yeah. I'm gonna end it here. You have to wait.